welcome. Today's video we are going to be unpacking my paid for Glam Bag Plus by Ipsy for January 2021. Now Haley and I will be coming back and going head to head, Ipsy versus Ipsy, mother versus daughter, with our paid for Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus. I'm very curious to see what is actually in here, because I did a full video talking about some Ipsy issues I was having with the app. Didn't think to go straight to their site, and my choices were never confirmed. So we're gonna see what I ended up with, and it'll be pretty interesting. So if you're new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here we always embrace the hot mess. We love to be cozy, and we've actually chilled out on our caffeine, and we're drinking more. Well, that's flavored water, but it's still water. Anyways, guys, hopefully you decide to stick around, subscribe. I have a second channel, Hot Mess Momma Vlogs, where it's a lot of randomness. You literally never know what you're gonna get. I am trying to focus more on doing some Peloton workouts, or showing you guys the workouts I'm doing over there. Haley also has her own channel, Love Haley. And of course, you know your girl is trying to get that 10K swipey uppy over on Instagram. So if you could give me a follow, that would be fabulous. Let's go ahead and jump on in. Okay guys, so if you are new to Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, it is $25 a month. You do get to customize 3 out of the 5 items. Did I say it's $25 a month? I'm like filming much later in the day, and I don't think the thyroid brain is enjoying it. Like, I feel like I'm a little bit faster in the morning time, but whatever. Anyways, $25 plus tax. You get to choose 3 out of the 5 items. Now, like I was telling you guys, the Ipsy app, for whatever reason, for the past couple months, I've been having an issue, so I will make my choices, but I get like the wheel of death when it goes to confirm. So I haven't even been able to shop the add-ons, which I can probably guarantee is a really good thing. So I don't know. Let's see here. Oh, okay. So the first item is the Laura Geller Quenching Tint Hydrating Foundation. Now, this was the item that I wanted because the IGK ended up selling out, I guess. So I did end up going with this in the shade medium. Let me go ahead and see if I can pull up the app so I can at least tell you guys a little information about the item, as well as the retail value and all of that. Okay, so a little information about the Quenching Tint by Laura Geller. It does have a retail value of $34. It's a tinted moisturizer, and its intensely hydrating formula is infused with hyaluronic acid. It is as refreshing as a splash of water. Leave your skin with an even natural glow. So originally, I wanted the IGK. It was like a hair moisturizer, and then when I went back to pick it, it was gone. So I did end up choosing the Laura Geller Tinted Moisturizer. It is a full size, and I've told you guys in the past, I go through phases where I really like a full coverage foundation, and then I'm like, nah, I don't want any foundation whatsoever, and I go with tinted moisturizers. So I did choose medium because typically when I'm doing the tinted moisturizer thing, it normally is going spring to summer, sometimes fall. You just never know. I'm a Gemini, so what I like today I may hate tomorrow, you know? So that is the first item. That was something I picked, so that's telling me, even though it didn't get confirmed, maybe they are going to go ahead and, you know, they saw it somehow. I don't really know. Okay, so the 2 items that Ipsy did pick for me are what I ended up receiving. The first one is the Billion Dollar Brows, the best brow toolkit ever, and it looks like we've got like the shears, tweezers, and then like a brush in there. It does look like it has a retail value of $56. It is full size. All the tools you need to groom your eyebrows. between my thyroid and my anxiety, your girl does some major heavy penciling in of the brows. So this will probably end up in a giveaway because I very seldom have to trim, tweeze. This I could probably keep. I don't know. So that's the first item they picked. The next item that they did choose for me is by Pixi. This is the Hydrating Milky Serum with Rosehip Aloe Vera, and it is of course a full-size item. You guys, I am literally feeling so off. It's like 4 in the afternoon right now, and I'm just like, I was trying to like rearrange my schedule a little bit. I don't think I can do the afternoon. Like the brain just doesn't function as well. So you get a little dropper in here and everything. So that's cute. Actually, I feel like my youngest has been getting some dry patches, so I think this is going to work really well. I'll just go ahead and let her use it. A little information about this is it does have a retail value of $24. It's packed with rose flower extract, jojoba oil, and aloe vera. This nutrient-rich serum restores dry, dehydrated skin, leaving skin plump, soft, and dewy. Okay, moving on, we did get a card in here. Now, my card doesn't have any of the specifics of the items that are in my bag. I'm just pulling strictly from the app and giving you guys that information. But it is themed with the Zodiac and dreams. Really cute, like drawstring bag. Everybody will receive the same bag. Next item in here, I think this was actually part of my choice. This is the YC Collection Let Me First Primer. Now, this is a newer brand to me. I don't think I've ever tried anything like that before, and I want to say it had a pretty affordable price tag on here. But again, this was an item that I picked, and it, matter of fact, is actually got the little blue dot letting me know this is what I picked. So if you ran into the same issue with the app that I did, then you may go ahead and get the items that you actually picked, even though you never got a confirmation and you did get the Wheel of Death, because some of you guys said you did. So this YC Collection Let Me First Primer is $15.99. So I definitely think this is more of like drugstore type of brand. It's a blurring primer. It has a velvety texture and applies evenly with no peelings, and it tells us that it promises. So I was kind of intrigued by it, kind of curious about it, and because I did pick up this, I thought, well, we could test them out together. The last item in the bag, which again was an item that I did choose, it's by Wonder Beauty, and I have mine that's already open sitting right here. I absolutely love this. This is a lip treatment oil, and you guys know I have lip fillers, so I do all I can to make them last. So I'll put like hyaluronic acid on them, I'll moisturize them a whole bunch. I love this oil. It's not the type of oil that is like greasy and melty feeling. It melts like, or it feels like it melts into your lips and gives you that plumping hydration feel to it. So again, this was the item that I did choose, and a little information about it as far as the retail value. The retail value is $22 on this lip oil, and it does have rich in fatty acids, vitamin E, and a lot of very nourishing items in here. So very happy to get this in backup. So let me know you guys' thoughts. I'm really happy that even though the app was giving me some issues, the items that I did end up picking showed up. As far as this bag goes, for $25, I definitely feel like I got my money's worth. This is my paid for bag, and obviously retail value of everything far exceeds the $25. Now, to be real with you guys, I'm not overly thrilled about these two products. And this product, yes, I did choose it, but even though it gives you a multiple choice, the items that I had to choose from, wasn't really excited about them at all. And with this Billion Dollar Brows, I do love the Billion Dollar Brows, like their line of products as far as like their pencil goes, their gel goes. Definitely really do like that. But again, this is not something that I would have chose for myself just because of my anxiety and my thyroid issues. Brows are not a strong suit. They're not really something I need to worry about. Matter of fact, I may end up just giving this, the scissors and the tweezers to my husband because he's got very nice brows. So anyways, so those two are kind of like but when you look at the other items in here, they're definitely good items. Not my favorite bag, but I definitely love this product in here, and I'm gonna definitely try out this Laura Geller. So I don't know, it's one of those things you guys always ask me to do Ipsy versus Boxy, and I think I may do that, especially with this January bag, because I think you'll be kind of blown away with what we saw in Boxy versus Ipsy. And I know Ipsy bought Boxy, but they're staying separate as far as Boxy's gonna be Boxy, Ipsy's gonna stay Ipsy. So you know what, I'll do that for you guys. I know you guys have been asking me to come back and do Ipsy versus Boxy, so definitely be on the watch for that. Subscribe, stick around. Don't forget to check out my second channel, Hailey's channel, and of course me over on Instagram. I'm hopping off. I just saw my mom send a text, so I'm gonna go ahead and respond to her there. Hailey and I will be back with an Ipsy versus Ipsy, mother versus daughter, for both of our paid for bags. Let me know you guys' thoughts on the January Ipsy, because I do have a lot of thoughts, but I think I'm gonna save a lot of them for Ipsy versus Ipsy so I can see what Hailey thinks. Okay friends, until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye guys.